Audley Gordon, Executive Director, National Solid Waste Management Authority. I am particularly pleased that of the numbers of establishments visited so far, a good 50% are compliant. And that must be pleasing because when you drive around the city, you could think that, most people aren't. But so far, at least 50% of who were visited are compliant. We still see a number of people who are not compliant, and what is also heartwarming is that they were willing to get compliant. So we have teams as we speak enter into contracts with people. But I must say that we have encountered quite a bit of belligerence where people are not prepared to talk openly to us, not attacking any particular ethnicity or anything, just to say that some of the language that we encountered are obviously not Jamaican language, and so it's difficult to communicate with them. And sometimes we get the feeling too that they use that as an advantage to not be forthcoming. However, we are not relenting.